Hello, everybody. Welcome over here. Let me ask you a quick question again. If you walked into a restaurant tonight and saw 100 reviews on the door, would you read at least a few of them before deciding to sit down? Of course you would. Now, here's the part most businesses underestimate. So, this is where I kind of want to give you a lot of fun stats today. So over 99% of consumers do exactly that before choosing a local business. Not some, not most, almost everyone, right? Staggering 99%. Reviews are no longer a nice to have, they are the front door to your brand. And here's what gets missed. 72%, again, keep in mind, 72% of people who leave reviews do it as a reward for great service. That means reviews are not just feedback, they are unpaid salespeople working for you long after the transaction ends. But it goes deeper. Today, over 90% of consumers believe your response to reviews is part of customer service itself, not marketing, customer service. So you also got to be responding to both positive and negative reviews. So if you're ignoring reviews, you're not just missing marketing opportunities, you are delivering incomplete service. Now, here's a stat that should really get your attention. 73% of people who leave a negative review are willing to give a business a second chance if the owner responds and resolves the issue. That's a lot, 73%. And more than half of them will actually update their rating afterwards. That means one thoughtful response can literally change your public reputation. And it affects visibility too. Two of the top 10 local rankings, right? Local ranking factors are reviewed related. Star ratings and review volume, right? Those two. Fresh reviews matter even more because 67% of consumers say the most recent reviews influence them the most, right? 67%. And now add this. AI-driven search tools are already scraping review content to decide which businesses get surfaced. If you are not being reviewed, you're not being you're not being referenced, right? And at the same time, review fraud is exploding. Hundreds of billions in consumer harm. AI-driven reviews are rising fast, which means trust is becoming the rarest currency in local businesses. So here's the bottom line. Reputation management is no longer about just looking good online. It's about being chosen, it's about ranking, it's about retention, and it's about protecting trust in this AI-driven world. If you want your brand to win, reviews are no longer optional anymore. So they are definitely something you want to focus on. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. Bye bye.